art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Drill Mario, and don't forget to pause the video, follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the center coming down. We're going to draw in a sideways oval for his nose. Let's come across for the eyes now. So stepping down, we're going to arch this out on each side. And then from the corner, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, rounding this out, tucking that back down. Let's draw in an oval here now, stepping in for the eyeball. So we're going to curve this over, tucking that in towards the side of the nose. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now let's come down for the pupil. So stepping in, drawing in a nice big arch line. We'll do the exact same thing in the center. Now let's move in towards the top. We're going to draw in an oval for that highlight now. And then we'll just go ahead and color in the pupil black. Let's draw Mario's eyebrows now. So coming up slightly, we're going to curve this up on a diagonal. We'll do that on the right-hand side as well. Now from that point, we're going to curve this back around and down on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw on the mustache, leaving a small gap dropping down. We're going to curve this line up. We'll do that on the right-hand side as well. Now from that point, we're going to curve this over and tucking that in. Now from the middle there, curving this back around and up to the top. And then again from the middle, so we're going to curve this back around and in, join that in the center. Let's draw a nice big arch line on the bottom for the mouth. Now for the tongue, we're going to curve this into the mustache on the left. And then we're going to curve this back down on the right. Let's move up for Mario's hairline now. Stepping over on the left, we're going to draw in a curved line, pulling that back through on the right. On each side now, stepping down from that, we're just going to curve this across. Now let's frame in the hair. So on the left, we're going to curve this out, tucking this into the mustache, curving that back up as we come in towards the edge. Stepping across on the right, let's replicate that. Again, here, dropping down, curving this over and through to the top. Now from that point, we're going to arch this out for the side of the hair. And then from that point, we're going to tuck that back into the middle. Now again from here, curving this through to the top. And then from that point, we're going to curve this down, up, and into the center. We'll replicate that on the right as well. So we're going to curve this down, up, and then back into the middle. Now on the left-hand side for the cheek, let's round this out, curving this in to the middle. We'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well, leaving a gap right in the center. Let's draw in a small arch line underneath for the chin. Now let's draw on the ear. So we're going to draw in a half circle on the left-hand side, and we'll replicate that on the right as well. Let's add a small detail line here. So on the top, curving this across, and then stepping through underneath, drawing in a small curved line, tucking that in. Let's draw on the overall straps now. So we're going to curve this down on both sides. We're going to step in towards the middle, kind of where this bends for the chin here, curving this back down, ending that at the same height. And then we're just going to close that off underneath with a curved line. Now as we come in towards the top, let's draw in a circle. Right in the center now, let's draw in a curved line. Let's come down for the drill. So we're going to draw in an arch line that comes all the way across to the right. Dropping down, leaving a gap, we're going to replicate that, just flattening this one out. Now from here, let's draw in a curved line on each side. On the left and right hand side again, continuing to curve this down to the bottom. And then again, just flattening this out on the right. From the center, stepping out, we're going to curve this up on the left and right hand side. We'll leave a small gap, replicating that again. And then we're going to come across, finishing that off one more time. Let's arch the torso in now, so we're just going to curve this up. Let's draw on the drill underneath on the left hand side, curving this diagonal line in. Now from that point, we're going to curve this back up on the right. On the top left, we're going to curve this over. Stepping down, leaving a gap, arching this up, down, and then back in. Again, leaving a gap, curving this up, down, and over. And then one more time, bringing this up, down, and across. Let's draw in the arms now. So stepping up for the hand, we're just going to curve this line in. For the finger, we're going to come down, curving this up for that first finger. Let's step up again, curving this around and through. And now one more time, arching this over and back in. Now let's step up for the wrist, curving this around and down. And then we're just going to finish this off with the arms, arching this into the chin. And that is it. That's how you draw Drill Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.